Welcome to the Everett Community College Center for Disability Services Access Portal for Faculty Guide. Today we're going to talk about how to confirm your faculty notification letter that you got in your email and how to schedule exams for your students. These are the two most common things that instructors do in AccessPortal. So you're going to get to the instructor authentication page, put in your username and password that you use for everything else on campus. It's part of your single sign-on. It's going to give you a reminder about confidentiality. If you would like to read more about this, you can check it out on our website, www.everettcc.edu/cds. I'm going to click on Continue to view student accommodations, and this brings you to the instructor homepage within AccessPortal. On this homepage, you can see all of the students that have requested accommodations in your class. If you have students registered with our office that have not put in requests for accommodations, they will show up down here. Once you get a letter and have reviewed it and spoken with the student about which accommodations they're going to need in your course, you can come here to the instructor homepage and click on View. This is a digital version of the same letter that you got in your email. And at the top here, you can submit acknowledgement. Now, over in status, it does say confirmed. The second thing we're going to talk about today is how to submit the exam agreement and how to schedule exams for your students if that's something that you choose to do. You can see all these students in our test group here. Not all of your students might have testing accommodations, but all of these students do. So you can go up to Alternative Testing here under Views and Tools, and you're going to specify your exam agreement. On the exam agreement, you'll be letting us know what the class is allowed. That way when your student shows up, we know what they're allowed to bring into the testing annex with them. Please list regular class length. So if you have exams that are 60 minutes, this is the class time, not the extended time. So a student with double time the system will calculate that. Regular class time length, 60 minutes. The final usually 2 hours. The midterm 2 hours, and quizzes will be like 30, right? So the system uses this information to calculate students' extended times on its own. You're going to hit Submit Exam Agreement here. Of course, with AccessPortal, the green check mark at the top, system update is successful. Underneath where it says List Exam Agreement, this is where you can copy your exam agreements to other classes if you have any. There's a little yellow box that says Schedule Exam for Student. You're going to hit Continue. It's going to ask which student and which class you're doing this for. And then you're going to hit Schedule. On this page, you're going to put in what the request type is, if it's an exam or a final, the date of the exam, the time of the exam, what accommodations the student will need to use, and then click Add Exam Request. After the exam is added, AccessPortal will give you the green check up at the top. We're going to look at all of the exams scheduled by going to Views and Tools, go to the Alternative Testing link, and then scroll down, you can see all of the upcoming tests that are scheduled. Thank you for watching this video about confirming your faculty notification letters and scheduling exams for students.